If the IAF chief is saying, which means that there is a serious problem with our capabilities, because it is none less than the IAF, and there is nobody higher than him. Sir.
Technology delayed is technology denied. Like
Absolutely,
justice
sir.
delayed is justice. Similar
Yes.
with this thing.
40 years for a fourth generation, sir. 50 years for a fifth generation, sir.
भारत ने रॉकेट बना लिया है, but हवाई जहाज नहीं बना.
So my question is, first of all, why does HAL get into manufacturing? Why does any government organization get into manufacturing?
The Germans are producing 30,000 aircrafts per year. See, necessity is mother of invention. हर आदमी पूरे इकोसिस्टम में ओनरशिप लेनी चाहिए. That this is my project, this is my country, this will affect our readiness of our country. My part in this whole story is not.
Rafale is either 4 or 4.5.
4.5, yeah.
4.5, sir.
Yes.
Fifth generation कौन सा लेना चाहिए?
See,
सर, सीधी बात.
अभी एरो इंडिया है,
Sir.
तो ये सब लोग
इंडियन मीडिया के सीनियर तर्जुमा निगार हूँ या इंडिया के दिफाई माहिरीन हूँ, तमाम इस बात को तस्लीम करते रहे हैं कि पाकिस्तान मिलिट्री को लेकर बहुत ही सीरियस है और दिफा के बारे में बहुत ही तरक्की कर रहा है. लेकिन मेजर गौरव आर्या जो मुंह फट है, वो इस बात को मानने के लिए तैयार नहीं था. वो हमेशा ये कहता था कि हम ताकतवर देश हैं, हमारी मिलिट्री बहुत बड़ी है, हमारी एयरफोर्स बहुत ताकतवर है, हमारा तेजाज का प्रोग्राम बहुत ही प्रोग्रेसिव है और जल्द ही पूरी दुनिया पर छा जाएगा. हाल ही में इंडियन एयर चीफ ने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की है, उसमें उसने ये बरमला कहा है कि हमारी प्रोडक्शन इतनी सुस्त है कि 1984 से लेकर शुरू होने वाला तेजाज अब तक 2024 तक 40 त्यारे ही बना पाया है. ये प्रोडक्शन की रफ्तार इतनी कम है कि हम अपनी इससे पर्सनल डिमांड भी पूरी नहीं कर रहे और दुनिया को तो हम क्या देंगे. मेजर गौरव आर्या ने अपने एक एयर मार्शल का इंटरव्यू किया पॉडकास्ट में, तो उसने वाज़ेह इसको बरमला बताया कि हमारी जो तेजाज की प्रोडक्शन है बहुत ही सुस्त रवैये का शिकार है, उसमें टेक्नोलॉजी भी इतनी खास नहीं है. फोर्थ जनरेशन वो त्यारा है, जबकि हम अपनी डिमांड पूरी करने के लिए 4.5 फ्रेंच मेड त्यारे हमने खरीद किए हैं. लेकिन इस वक्त हम बहुत ही पीछे रह गए हैं क्योंकि पाकिस्तान जेब 1700 तैयार कर रहा है और अनकरीब ही उसकी डील भी तुर्की से हो गई है जो उसने काम त्यारा ले लिया है. प्रोडक्शन भी बहुत जल्द पाकिस्तान करना शुरू कर देगा. जब हम 40 साल में फोर्थ जनरेशन पे पहुंचे हैं तो सिक्स जनरेशन तक पहुंचने के लिए हमें मजीद 40 साल चाहिए. तब तक चाइना और पाकिस्तान 7 और 8 जनरेशन त्यारे बना रहे होंगे. हम चांद तक तो पहुंच गए लेकिन एक जहाज तक ना बना सके. जिस देश को हम कहते थे कि वो बांग्लादेश है और टेक्नोलॉजी के मसले में हमसे पीछे है, वो त्यारे बना रहा है और दुनिया को फरोख्त कर रहा है. लेकिन हम हैं कि हम सिर्फ तेजाज भी तैयार नहीं हो पा रहा, उसके इंजन भी हम अमेरिका से मंगा रहे हैं और वो भी अपनी जरूरत के तहत पूरे नहीं कर पा रहे. मेजर गौरव आर्या क्या कुछ कहता रहा, आगे चलकर आपको सब दिखाएंगे. आगे बढ़ने से पहले आपसे गुजारिश है कि वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. आइए देखते हैं.
A lot has been said about the lack of fighter jets in the Indian Air Force. A lot has been said about how the Tejas program could not take off. You know, where was the HAL lacking? The Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, that organization, where was it lacking? What happened? China is saying that we have a 6th generation fighter aircraft.
Yes.
We can't even produce a 4th generation. Right, sir? And whatever we are producing, that is essentially Russian technology. While India has one of the finest space programs in the world, it has a great nuclear program. It has made strides in technology, and we have technological talent to beat the best in the world. There is no doubt about that. I think there is lack of focus also, sir. In the sense that if we have not been able to make the LCA in 40 years to a certain level of the satisfaction, because, sir, in the end, the Indian Air Force must be satisfied, sir.
Correct.
Because the Indian Air Force is the end customer, sir, and the end user, sir.
Correct.
They have to be happy, sir. If the IAF chief is saying, which means that there is a serious problem with our capabilities, because it is none less than the IAF, and there is nobody higher than him, sir.
Correct. Correct.
So if the chief is saying it,
See, I recall in 2008 or 9, we had gone to ADA, and that time Embraer, a company, the Brazilian company,
yes, sir,
was manufacturing our airborne early warning and control aircraft
Sir.
on Embraer platform.
the AVAC, sir.
the AEWC aircraft.
Okay, sir.
So they wanted to understand how aerial refueling is carried out. This was about 2009. They came and understood how the aircraft refuels in the air through mid-air refueler. And in about 3 years' time, they had developed a prototype. And the aircraft which Indian Air Force hereafter got from Embraer had the refueling probe put in. So, in HAL's case, there is only one customer, Air Force, because and there is one company which there is no competition. There is no private player. There is no sword hanging that in case I do not meet these timelines, this is going to happen. Because they can cite any reasons for delay, and that is waived off. So what happens is that the aging fleet is going out, the replenishment is not coming, and now it is not leapfrog. In my opinion, you'll have to do a pole vault kind of a thing.
Yes, sir.
We'll have to.
Leapfrogging is not sufficient now.
Not sufficient now, because the gap. And in 2015-16, we were at par with our neighbors as far as the development of these things. But in last 8 to 10 years, the pace at which our northern neighbor has moved is phenomenal. It's phenomenal. And I was reading about J-36, which you just mentioned, the 6th generation aircraft. This aircraft is a marvel. You would have seen the pictures. It doesn't have a tail. It doesn't have any visible control surfaces. But the best part, which very few people know, it is 23 meters long and 19 meters wide. That is the span of the wings. And it has a double delta with the wingspan area of 200 square meters. To put it simply, F-22 is only 78 meters square and F-35 is only 48 meters square. This aircraft, with no tail, with no moving control surface, with 3 engines, has a surface area of 200 square meters. So they have worked silently to produce, and their aircrafts now are in Tibet. So they are pushing, and their partner, of course, our Western partner, is happy to see the progress which the Chinese are making.
So 2 things, sir. First of all, can we believe the Chinese? Because Chinese don't allow anybody to see their aircraft.
Yes.
सब ढकी छुपी बात है।
वो तो है।
ये है कि हमने we were the first foreign customers for Rafale, sir. इसके पहले Rafale, apart from the French Air Force, nobody used it, sir. We were the first one. After us, there is a deluge of countries or orders for the Rafale, and now before 7 to 8 years, Rafale can give you nothing, sir.
Correct.
उनकी ऑर्डर बुक
अभी मैं कह रहा हूँ, अभी एक साथ कोई भी देश इतने जहाज नहीं दे पाएगा इस टाइम फ्रेम में जो हम मांग।
आपने 8 स्क्वाड्रन बोले ना सर. लेट्स से टुमारो the air chief said okay, done. He has spoken to the रक्षा मंत्री. PM says good, go ahead. आपने 8 स्क्वाड्रन, वो 8 स्क्वाड्रन सर आज वो देगा 2035 में सर आपको पहली स्क्वाड्रन. His first squadron you might get in 2035-36, the first squadron. और फिर पता नहीं 40 तब तक तो Chinese will start making 7th generation, 8th generation fighters.
We will have to spend more money. He was saying that we have to pay more money to get what we want till we become Atmanirbhar. So these were his exact words, which are absolutely correct. The country should be willing to pay that extra price to bridge this gap, which I was telling you, that pole vaulting. This gap of pole vaulting has to be done.